As always, the first thing you need to do is make sure you're in the room you want to control. I'm already in the correct room, which for me is the living room. Once you're in the correct room, the screen will show you all the options you have for components you can control. We want to watch TV, so let's choose Watch. This window shows us what we have available to watch. You'll see your own options here. I have a couple TVs, Apple TVs, and my security cameras. Let's choose to watch Apple TV. So I touch this option, and the Apple TV and the TV turn on for me. My screen will then switch to look like a remote where I can scroll through my options, menu button, left, right, up and down to make my selections. And the center circle is my select button. And then exit will return you to your home screen.